Hey besties, welcome back to my space. I'm Vanna Helenge and I'm back again with a new video. Thank you all for the love and the support. To my new subscribers, you're welcome. 1 year we uplift each other, we teach other how to do DIYs that can fetch us money and empower us in society. Thank you all for stopping by, and if you're not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. So this is a quick one. I got a comment from a viewer stating the fact that I've been teaching you guys how to make soap, but I haven't given you the safety precautions. And I decided to come and do this short video to explain to you all that there are some measures you're supposed to take before you start making soap. Don't do like me, because in fact, most of my videos I've not been taking precautions, and trust me, I've had my fair share of bad things happening to me, lies spilling over me, chemicals burning me, and I already have scars on my feet, my hands, and everything because I didn't use safety measures. So on this video, we'll be running the safety measures down. So after watching this video, I hope you are going to learn something and start making soap the safe way. So first things first, make sure there are no kids around when you want to start making soap. You know, kids don't listen, and their bodies and their skin is very, very fragile. You wouldn't want anything to happen to them. So make sure you don't have your kids around. The last video, I think I had my daughter around. Even though she's big, I know that, okay, no, she can take care of herself and she's not all over the place. So forgive me for that one. Make sure you're putting on safety goggles. You don't want those crystals get into your eyes, because if you have ever made soap before and you put lye into water, you know what happens? It starts to boil. Just imagine it dropping on your eye. Second thing, wear a mask, and maybe if you have, wear a mask to cover your nose, because it has fumes and the rest. You have fumes coming out from it because it's quite corrosive. Make sure you're wearing protective clothing. You're covering your feet with socks, your hands, you're putting on gloves, and maybe a long t-shirt or a shirt to cover your hands, because trust me, there was a time when my hands were looking like a grandmother's own, because that thing burnt me and my hands became twisted and very black. Yes, because I wasn't putting on a glove and I wasn't putting on the socks, and it fell on my feet. I already have a dark scar on my feet because of that. Okay, also make sure you're walking in a well-ventilated area. You can read whatever is on the screen and you understand better. Yeah, you need air, so that if something explodes or something explodes, you're in an airy place. And with the air outside, you don't get to inhale the bad smoke that comes out of, the bad fumes that comes out of your production, especially when you're mixing lye. And then also make sure to add your lye into water. Don't do it the other way around. Do not add water into lye. You might have a volcano and you might get scared and you start panicking and you get burned or something, or even splashes on your face and you're going to the hospital. You have burns all over your face. So try as much as possible to get those things that I talked about. Make sure you have a glove. Make sure you have a safety goggles to protect your eyes. And thank you. Bye-bye.